Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find someone on Instagram using their phone number. To find someone on Instagram using their phone number, you can follow these steps. First, you need to open your Instagram app, and after that, you need to go to the search bar, which is on the bottom right over here, just beside the home icon. Tap there, and in the top, there's a search option. Tap there as well. And what you have to do is simply enter the phone number in the search bar at the top of the search page. Type in the phone number of the person you're looking for. Make sure to include the country code and tap on the search button after that. And if there are any Instagram accounts associated with the number you entered, they will appear in the search results. Tap on the account you're looking for to view their profile. And from the person's profile, you can choose to follow them if the account is public or contact them if they have message enabled. And note that all Instagram accounts are associated with phone numbers, so you may not always find someone using this method. Additionally, privacy settings can affect whether or not a profile appears in the search results as well. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.